Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Wi-Fi denied access problem on iPhone iPad. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, now tap on mobile phone setting. Now tap on Wi-Fi. Now tap on Wi-Fi name. And now tap on forget this. And go back and turn on airplane mode on the 5 to 10 second and turn off. Now scroll it down. Now tap on general, scroll it down, tap on shutdown and shut down your app. And after this, go back, enter your password and tap on transfer or reset iPhone setting. Tap on reset, tap on network setting. After doing the reset network setting and go back, now tap on Wi-Fi. Now tap on Wi-Fi name. Now tap on join this network and enter your passcode. Now tap on join and connect it to your Wi-Fi properly. And after this, go back. After doing all steps, your problem will be fixed. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.